to bring Fab Friday TV to you today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper bow out of 1-inch strips of paper that I have cuddlebugged with a swirl folder. It's really easy. All you need is 12 by 12 piece of paper, 2 buttons, a ribbon, and no adhesive. So watch this and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, the supplies that you're going to need is the Swirls Cuttlebug embossing folder. You're going to need a piece of ribbon about 12 inches long, 2 buttons, and I use about an inch wide button, and then 3 pieces of paper cut. It actually comes from one 12 by 12. I'm using the Black Magic. It's black on one side and purple on the other side from Coordinations. And I've cut them in 4 inches in width, and the first one was 4 inches by 12 inches, 4 inches by 11 inches, and 4 inches by 10 inches. I'm going to run these through my embossing machine, my Cuttlebug, and I'm going to sand them, and then I'll cut each individual one into 4 strips. So there we go, let's get started. Now to assemble my paper bow. I'm going to take the small 1-inch by 5-inch piece and make a loop out of it. I'll use my hole punch that is on my crocodile and punch a hole right in the center. Then I have looped my thin ribbon through my button so that it is 2 ends are coming out, and I've taken a piece of tape and I have made a piece of the tape around the ends of the ribbon so that it makes it easier to thread through my holes. Now I'm going to pull my button through so that my button is going to be in the top part of that loop. Once I've done that, I use a paper clip just to kind of keep it clipped and off to the side. Then I'm going to start with my smaller, and I'm going to be working from the top of the bow down, and I overlap and make basically a figure 8 out of my paper. I'm going to overlap this side, bring it back around, overlap the full inch, and again make a figure 8 so that then I get an X. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. So then I get an X. Once I've got that X, again, I will punch a hole into the center. Like that, and thread that onto my ribbon so that it comes out like this. Alright, put my clothespin back in, and then I'll do the next one. Again, a loop into a figure 8, a loop into the figure 8, so that I have an X, punch my hole in the center, take my ribbon and thread it through. And now you see the starts of my bow coming together. I'll take this and continue and putting my bow together. Alright, there's my bow. I'm going to cut the ends off now where I had the tape at an angle. And now I'm going to thread my ribbon through at a little angle. Alright. Once I've threaded my button onto the bottom, 2 pieces like that, I can tie it, tighten it so that the buttons close together. This paper bow requires no adhesive. All you need to assemble the bow together is the 2 buttons with the ribbon. And you can see there's the one button on the bottom and then the other button that is hiding on the top there. And there you go. A paper bow. I hope you like it.